Why is it so hard to let go? Well, there's risk and agony involved. We've been programmed from birth for survival, which at first meant holding on as tightly as we could, sucking on the tit until we're knocked unconscious from satiation and the baby falls asleep. But as we get older, we have to learn how to intentionally let go, or else we get stuck. That's why it's hard, because we're fighting our basic instinct that we learned. The ability to let go, I'd say, is a hallmark of wisdom. It's the ability to hold things lightly. The ancients knew that the causes of misery are craving and aversion. And the antidote is to let go.